Hi everyone, and welcome back to another segment of Dr. Alana's Nutrition Minute. I'm Dr. Alana, and today what I want to talk to you about is how can we eat healthy when we're eating out? So frequently when we're trying to lose weight or trying to be healthier, we go on diets, and most diets are very restrictive and make it so we can't go out and enjoy a dinner with friends or family. So I'm going to give you some tips and tricks that you can use to really decrease the amount of calories that you're taking in when you're eating out so you can still go out and enjoy some time. So a couple things that are really easy right from the get-go. Order things that are grilled instead of fried. If you want to get a chicken sandwich, get a grilled chicken sandwich instead of a deep fried chicken sandwich. Get vegetables instead of, say, French fries or something like that as your side dish. Small changes like that can really decrease the amount of calories that you're taking in. Another really easy thing to do that can be sometimes a little tricky, just order water as your drink. Instead of getting a sugary pop or coffee or something like that, just sticking with water can really decrease the number of calories you're taking in by a couple hundred, depending on how much you're drinking. Another thing that sometimes can be hidden, the way that a lot of restaurants get the food to taste so good is they cook it in a lot of fat, a lot of butter, a lot of oil, probably way more than we need, and then sometimes they'll even put a little bit extra on the top just to make it taste a little bit better. So ask for it without the extra butter, without the extra fat on top. That's something that we don't even necessarily realize that they're doing, but it's adding a lot of calories to what you're eating. And then go ahead and skip dessert. Instead of thinking about ordering a dessert, get a salad as your appetizer, something like that to fill you up so that you're not full at the end of your meal looking for something sweet to top it off. So there are a couple of my favorite ways to help decrease the amount of calories that I'm getting in when I eat out, and I hope that you find them helpful as well. And as always, thank you for letting me help you achieve a better you today.